guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Offspring Converse Chuck Taylor High 70 Paisley pack. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into this one. So this is part 2 of our Offspring Paisley pack review, and we've got a look at the natural ivory egret color, and this bandana print is more pastel tones than the original, well, the first ones that we have done. And I can do a comparison because we got both sneakers here at the same time. But before that, let's get into the sizing. And we got this in a UK 7.5, it's a European 41. And again, they don't have the US sizing, but as a rule of thumb, it usually is for men's size up. So if that makes sense, so if it's a 7.5, it will be an 8.5 US. And there it is. And I mentioned this, even though it's a new surprise, like we haven't had a look at them together, but I do prefer the first pairs that we have reviewed, which I'll pick up here, and we can look together. I do prefer this one. I think it's because of the hits of the black and the off-white. It just reminds me of like Fear of God. And personally, I prefer those colors. This is more summery, unfortunately, because we're approaching winter. I wouldn't be wearing a lot more. I wouldn't be wearing summery tones really. I'll be wearing your muted colors, and well, I do wear a lot of black anyway. But let me look at this separately before we do a little comparison between the two. And so let's start with the outsole. So you got a typical rubber outsole, typical Converse fashion, but in this case you got 4 different colors. So you got it in the yellow, the green, the pink, and the baby blue at the back there. You go along the upper, and those color tones, it reflects the bandana prints that are on the upper here. But before that, I want to mention about the midsole, and this Chuck Taylor 70s midsole is so much better than the Chuck Taylor that you can get on the market, and that's because it's more padding, it's softer, and well, it lifts it up as well. Moving on towards the upper, it's a whole canvas upper, and it consists of these multi-stitch bandana prints, and you've got the color, I want to say peach actually. This kind of looks like a baby peach. Let's say, instead of, I know I said pink, but it does look peachy to me. So right there at the top, that's peach. You got your off-white right there, making the majority of the sneaker. Your green at the top of the heel, and rounding off with the baby blue at the bottom of the heel. Going along towards the back here of the sneaker, you got the stripe of yellow. And what's really dope, I didn't mention it first time on the first review, but I did mention it when we did the on feet, but you got that hit of bandana print on the Converse logo that is right there at the back tab there. Going towards the toe, so you got the more reinforced rubber toe featured at the front there. Going along, it's the same off-white tongue, bandana print color, normal lacing system, cannot go wrong. And rounding it off, you got the Converse Chuck Taylor player's name print right there on the right hand side of the tongue. Before I round off, just want to mention the insole. It's more gel, it's more padding, which makes it more comfortable than your run-of-the-mill Converses that you can get on the market, which is why I do prefer, I'll mention it again, I'll mention it as many times as I have to, I prefer Chuck 70s. They are my favorite sneaker of all time. And you've got that insole there with the logo. And let's do a little comparison between the two. As I mentioned, I much prefer these ones right here. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section below. Which ones do you prefer? Do you prefer this new pastel ones or these? But these come out in October the 8th. In my opinion, this is Offspring's strongest collaboration to date, and it's such a dope design. Again, I much prefer these, but don't get me wrong, if we were close to the summer, I might have to wait until summer just to wear these out. But you can wear these whenever you want, really. And again, just want to mention, it is really dope to see it incorporate the sky, the neighborhoods, and what Supreme have done in the past, incorporating that bandana fashion that you've seen, and it's that trend that has been seen so many times, and you've seen it on sandals, but it's great to see it incorporated in an iconic sneaker like the Converse All-Star High. So we're going to do an on-feet of these bad boys right here, and we'll just round it off right there. When it comes to the fit, guys, get your true to size Converse fit. For me, that's a UK 7.5. That's what I wear for my Nikes and my Reeboks. So they are a great fit, as you can see. I know I had my reservations about these being the weaker colorway between the two, but yo, these on, it is a different beast, but it's not the same animal. Copyright reference there for you, if you didn't know. And damn, but they look so good on. I'm gassed. I really am. I was wrong. I was wrong to doubt these, but these are really dope on. Reminds me of like the Fear of Gods that we have done in the past. But yeah, with that said, if you got both pairs, if you're lucky enough to get the black, grey and red pair, try switching it up. You never know what it will look like. You'll turn heads, sorry. And I think this is a dope collab again. Offspring have knocked out the park. I can't wait to just rock these out. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.